Glenna Jean Remember My Love Ubbi Diaper Pail cover by Glenna Jean is one of the best baby diaper pails products. One day your little girl will wear a dress made of such fine embroidery, perhaps with ruffles of organza and ivory taffeta too. Such fine linens for your little blessing make heirlooms for future generations to treasure. Exquisite corded embroidery in a rich shade of blush features cascading bouquets of wispy petals and vining fronds that culminate in a magnificent scalloped edge of highly detailed embroidered artistry. Remember My Love is hand-sewn in America by skilled seamstresses for the best quality, keepsakes to be treasured by your loved ones for years to come. Fabric cover adds style and color to a very industrial product-looking product. Made to fit a popular Ubbi diaper pail, removable cotton cover is washable. Won't slip or twist, never sag. Velcro closure. Made in the USA. Coordinates with Remember My Love collection. Premium fabric to withstand years of love and use.